it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today we're going to be making baking dish and bowl covers. These are a great way to store food in the refrigerator, and they're a sustainable alternative to plastic wraps and tin foils, and they're washable so they can be reused. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are cotton fabric, 4-gauge clear vinyl, elastic, pins or clips and a safety pin, a fabric marker, a ruler or measuring tape, thread, scissors, and a sewing machine. Cut out identical pieces of fabric and vinyl by placing one on top of the other. The best way to measure out your pieces is to put the dish face down on the fabric and trace a line around the dish that is 2 inches out from its edge. This will leave enough room for the seam allowance and also the elastic channel. Clip the fabric and the vinyl together with the right sides facing. Sew around the edges with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Make sure to leave a 3-inch opening. Cut the fabric close to the seam. Turn the cover right side out through the opening. Sew around the entire edge again, this time a 1/2 inch away from the outer edge. Leave the opening unsewn for now. Wrap the elastic snugly around wherever it will sit on your dish and cut it to that length. Using a safety pin, string the elastic through the pocket you have sewn around the edge of your cover. Make sure that the other end stays outside of the fabric. Sew the ends of the elastic together. Sew the opening closed, being careful not to sew the elastic inside.
Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.